And so the first group is quite exciting. We'll start with Vinswer.
Sorry. Okay. Good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure to be here, so thanks for giving me this opportunity. I'm Stefano Mendicino, co-founder of Vinswer. I'd like to begin by telling you about a short story. Here you see Paolo, a freelance who have a marketing trouble that needs solving. Here you see Emanuele, a marketing guru who wants to monetize much more its know-how and time spent online. The last guy is Mirko, a publisher who wants to increase revenues from his blog, his marketing website. Vinswer solves their problems in one shot. The trick is the idea that Vinswer realizes, helping users to solve their problems and get personalized advice online, allowing and helping experts to share and market their knowledge online, and allowing publishers to create a marketplace of live advice to share knowledge and market it online. So that is Vinswer is a social way to buy and sell expertise online via video chat. We are a job creator because we allow anyone to share and market their knowledge online. So, experts can integrate a widget into their website or blog by means of a simple embed code. This expert in this way can sell live advice to its users and monetize their knowledge, their know-how. All of these experts, classified by category, can be integrated into a marketplace of live experts. So publishers can create and integrate into their website a marketplace of live experts. I can explain the marketplace. You can think Craigslist, but with the live advices of experts that you can call in real time. So that is Vinswer allow anyone to create a marketplace of live experts in less than 60 seconds. If you want, you can have a look at vinswer.com/create marketplace to see what I said. Just one click on the call button is all you need to establish a video chat session and start the conversation. After some minutes that they can take for free, clients are subjected to payments via PayPal or credit card. So, for every paid call, Vinswer takes 20% and shares it with the partner website. The partner website is the website who embed the marketplace with experts or just the technology. So, for every transaction, 18% go to the experts and 20% is shared with the partner. So, we are just beginning, so we have several partners at the moment, and we are creating metrics. We have just beginning at the moment. So it sounds good, but you might whether if exists a market for such a kind of on-demand consultancy and services. There is a market, and it is also a potentially wide market. In the potential market, there are all professional people such as doctors, lawyers, teachers, as well as bloggers and astrologers, for example. So, as you know, having a market also means having competitors. But we gained a competitive advantage of our competitors. For example, our technology allowing partners to create a marketplace allows us to grow in a social way. That means quickly than our competitors. At the moment, we are looking for a seed from $300,000 to $500,000. Thanks. This is the team of Vinswer.
I told you that it was quite clear when the time was come. So now it's time for our 5 minutes question session. So obviously we are expecting questions from our investors that are here, and let me thank them to be here for the both 2 days. And so I would strongly recommend short question and short question and short answers. Okay. So who's the first?
Pietro Vezza, customer development strategy.
Okay. Our strategy, go-to-market strategy, customer development strategy is very clear. At the beginning, we will focus on medium website, vertical website, clearly specialized website to create a critical mass and then grow. For example, our first partner is Ninja Marketing, a website very vertical, clearly vertical of marketing. So, with the help of our partners, we can create faster the critical mass and then grow from them.
Another question? Maurizio, down there. Maurizio Liverani.
What's your barrier to entry? I mean, what is the real core value of this business idea?
Okay. The core value is for two figures. For the expert is that Vinswer allow him to sell their expertise in real time from, for example, their blog. But for the publisher, the value is that he can furnish a new service for their users, because the contents, our experts, our verticalized, specialized experts are value for the publisher. That in this way, as a new service, a service of value for their users, and then as a new stream of revenues for his website.
Okay. Other question? If any? Down there. Luigi Capello. Welcome.
Hi. Can you give us some metrics, please?
We are at the beginning. We are released from 1 month, 2 weeks from the partners. So we are build the metrics with our partners at the moment.
Okay, thank you.
We have time for 1, maximum 2 questions more. Gianluca Dettori and Davide Turco.
Gianluca Dettori, I just wanted to know if the founders that we see here are fully committed on this startup, 100%, or what roles are they in, say, the day-to-day operations?
Sorry?
Te lo dico in italiano.
Sì.
I fondatori che vediamo qua sono tutti impegnati nella startup 100%?
Yeah. Daniele Alberti is at the moment in San Francisco to expand our business. And me and Michele are 100% on the startup.
100%.
Last question from
Do
Davide
you have
Turco.
a business plan, expectation about revenues and
Yeah.
development?
Here, slide. Okay. General assumption are that we have a funding of $500,000 and then in 12, 18 months, around A of 1 million. Then other general assumptions are that the users do make one call of average at month of amount of $6. So this is a conservative scenario. In this scenario, we have a break-even point in 28 months.
Final remark from Gianluca?
Thanks. Can you just comment on the financials, because it's unclear to me what expenses mean and the funding overall. I mean, can you give us more insight? I mean, it's a bit cryptic. What is the total cash needed, let's say, until you generate the first euro in cash?
Our business model allow us to generate cash from the first transaction. So,
te lo provo a dire in italiano, preferiamo in inglese? Sì.
We'll try.
No, I mean the funding required until let's say for the company to be, let's say, fully funded. So no more capital. So when you have a positive cash flow, what is that the 17th month? You mean by that 1.3 minus? What is that? Can you explain us?
Because this is the worst point of the cash flow. Because
okay, so the funding is 1.3 million. That is overall required for
the funding is 1.5 million, because there is in this general assumption 500,000 of round from angels and 1 million round A. So 1.5.
You've been saved from the bells, you know.
Thanks you. Bye.
Okay.